Question is, two charge conducting spheres S1 and S2 of radius 8 cm and 12 cm are connected to each other by wire. After equilibrium is established, the ratio of electric fields on S1 and S2 spheres are ES1 and ES2 respectively. The ratio of ES1 over ES2, four options are given to one of the option is correct. Concept applicable and solution. One charge is 8 centimeter, one is 18 centimeter. S1, S2, they are connected by a wire. And at equilibrium, say initially is V1, V2, V1 equal to V2 equal to V. That is, potential due to point charge is given by 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R1 equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon R2. In this case, we will find the relation between Q1 and Q2. That is R1 over R2. This is. We have to find the ratio of electric fields. Electric field is given by ES1 over ES2 equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1 square upon 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon R2 square. This goes, that is Q1 over Q2, R2 over R1 whole square. Using equation 1, so we get R1 over R2, R2 over R1 whole square. That is R2 over R1. R2 is 18 upon 8. That is 9:4. That is the answer. Now, D is the correct answer. इसका डायरेक्ट आंसर कैसे बनेगा? डायरेक्ट आंसर होगा E1 over E2 equal to R2 over R1. If you keep in mind, then you can give the answer orally. Right? Next question. Question is, two metal plates A and B are kept horizontally with separation of 12 by 5 centimeter with plates on the top. An atomic jet sprays oil to density this much, droplets of radius 1 mm horizontally. All droplets carry a charge of 5 nanocoulomb. The potentials V and V were required on the plates A and B respectively in order to ensure that droplets do not descend. The value of V and V respectively, we have to fill in the blank here. Negative air ratio of droplet takes G equal to 10 meter per second square. Four options are given to one of them is correct. Concept applicable and solution. Concept applicable and solution. A is on the top. This is plate A, this is the atomic jet droplets. Don't descend, यानी कि weight should be balanced by the force due to the electron. As according to question, charge oil drops do not descend means weight force due to electric field is being balanced by the weight, that is Q into E equal to M into G. That is volume into density 4 by 3 pi r cube into density into G. Q into E is V by D. Right? On substituting values. On substituting value. On substituting values means Q into V by D equal to density 4 by 3 pi r cube into G. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना, सेपरेशन दिया है, चार्ज दिया है 5 नैनो कूलम. Convert all given parameters into SI units. 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. We find out करना D 12 upon pi, 12 upon pi into pi 10 to the power minus 2, so ऊपर जाके न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा. Density 1.5 into 10 to the power 3. We are using SI unit into 4 by 3 pi 1 mm, that is 10 to the power minus 3 into G. This is G. That is 10. That is 10. अब इस टोटल को सिंप्लीफाई करके ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन सारी टर्म्स कट कटा के V आएगा 480 वोल्ट. 480 वोल्ट. 480 वोल्ट means this is plate A, this is plate B, this is order of weight charge. The direction of electric field is always higher potential to the lower potential. So VB should be at higher potential. It is at higher potential. This is at lower potential. Difference should be 480. Difference should be 480. देख लेते हैं आंसर क्या है. 480 differences में भी 480 differences में भी है. But using the conceptual direction of electric field is always towards the decreasing. तो B ये B plate का होगा, ये A plate का होगा. A is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is the electric potential as a function of xy is given by this one. The electric field at point 23 is, we have to fill up one of the correct options out of the 4 available. Potential, concept applicable in solution. Electric field is negative of potential gradient, that is E equal to minus dV by dr. R may be only x, x and y both, x and y z, all the things will be there. Then Ex will be equal to partially derivative. Partial derivative means differentiate the given voltage expression with respect to x, keeping all terms constant. That comes to minus tan xi. That is at 2 3 चाहिए हमें. At 2 3 this will be equal to minus 20 I. Now similarly Ey, that is minus V, this is V dy. So minus 10 by J. At 2 3 चाहिए हमें. At 2 3 चाहिए तो minus minus plus 30 J. Right? Therefore, electric field will be equal to Ex plus Ey, that is minus 20I plus 30J. This should be the answer. Let's check it. A is the correct option. Right? Next question. In this session, we are discussing regarding the electric potential, work done, potential difference, potential gradient. Up to this, if any doubt, you can comment. Further, we are going to discuss the relation between electric field and potential gradient and their application. Illustration are being taken from JEE Main 2026. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेटिंग सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद कलीग्स एंड फ्रेंड्स। इसी के साथ साथ एक रिक्वेस्ट हो रहा है कि सेशन को एंड तक जरूर देखें, बीइंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर all these. Now let's start the question and answer. Question is, a point charge of 10 minus 8 coulomb is placed at origin. The work done in moving a point charge 2 microcoulomb from point A to point B is. Four options are given to one of the options is correct. Concept applicable. In this case, origin point A, point B. Point A is 442, point B is 221. ये distance RA ले लीजिए, distance R भी ले लीजिए। RA कितना आएगा? अंडर रूट 16 प्लस 16 प्लस 4 6। R भी कितना आएगा? 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 3. Potential due to point charge is given by 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. All concepts यूज करते हुए substituting values. तो Q दे रखा हमें 10 to the power minus 8 into 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q, what 2 microcoulomb, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 1 upon RB minus 1 over A, 1 over 3 minus 1 by 6. This comes out to be 10 to the power minus 8, 1, 5. 9 into 10 into 10 to the power 1 बचा minus 5 बचा into 1 by 6. 3 3 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. That is 30 into 10 to the power minus 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. This is the answer. Let's check. B is the correct option, right? Next question. Question is, electric field in region is given by E equal to AXI plus BYJ, where A equal to this much, B equal to this much. If the electric potential at a point 1020 is 500 volt, then the electric potential at origin is, you have to fill in the blanks one. Out of 4 options, you have to fill up one of the correct ones. So, concept applicable and solution. You know, electric field is negative of the potential gradient, minus dV by dr. So dV would be equal to minus E dot dr. Mathematically, minus this is given to AXI plus BYJ dot DXI plus DYJ. On simplification, this comes out to be AX dx plus AY dy with negative sign. Therefore, potential, according to question, potential at 1020 is 1020 is 500 volt. potential at origin is to be determined. It means integrating both sides minus a x dx plus b y dy, right? So this is the lower limit, this is the higher limit. तो उस पे आ जाएगा 500 वोल्ट, उस पे था माइनस वी नॉट, जीरो पे जाइए माइनस ए की वैल्यू दे रखी है हमें 10 और 5, 10 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस 5 इंटू वाई स्क्वायर बाई 2। इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, माइनस 5 इंटू एक्स, you have to find the value at 10 20, 10 मतलब 100 हो गया प्लस 5 इंटू 400 हो गया डिवाइड बाई 2, this comes out to be 200, so this comes out to be minus 1500, so V naught comes out to be 500 plus 1500, that is equal to 2000 volt. That is the answer. A is the correct option, right? Next question is, three small identical bubbles of water having same charge on each collapse to form a bigger bubble. Then the ratio of the potential of one of the initial bubble and that on the resultant figure is. Four options are given to, one of the options is correct. So one of the initial bubble, V initial upon V final, that is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R upon 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 3Q upon capital R. On simplification, R upon 3R. Now, by conservation of volume, conservation of volume, 3 small drops into 4 by 3 pi R cube equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. R capital R is bigger drop. So R comes out to be 3 की power 1 by 3 is small r. 3 की power 1 by 3 is small r. Substituting in 1. Substituting in 1. We get V initial over V final equal to R upon 3 R upon 3 R की power capital R upon, this was capital R upon 3R, R upon 3 की power 1 by 3. That comes out to be 1 is to 3 की power 2 by 3. 1 is to 2. The correct option is A is the correct answer, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Set His Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.